Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super handy skill in Canva, how to copy elements from one design to another. If you've ever wanted to reuse parts of a favorite graphic, keep a brand's style consistent, or just save some time from starting over, this is the tutorial you need. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transfer anything you like between your Canva designs quickly and easily. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, open up Canva in your browser. If you aren't logged in, go ahead and sign into your account or create a free one if you haven't already. Once you're on the Canva dashboard, you'll see that big Create a Design button, usually up towards the top right. Click on that to get started. This is where you choose what kind of project you want. Maybe you're making a presentation, a social media post, or something totally custom. For this demonstration, let's keep things simple and clear. We're going to select Custom Size. When you click that, a little window pops up asking for your dimensions. Type in 100 for the width and 50 for the height. It doesn't matter too much what you pick here for learning purposes, but it's a good habit to be specific because choosing an exact size means your design will fit perfectly wherever you want to use it later. After you hit Create New Design, you'll be looking at a blank canvas, literally, but we don't want to start from scratch, so let's bring in some style quickly by selecting a template. Canva has thousands of built-in templates on the left side panel that you can pick from. Browse or search for one that catches your eye. You can do this for any kind of project. Imagine grabbing a colorful event invite or sleek business graphic to play with. Once you've picked out a template, it'll load onto your new canvas as your first page. Here's a little tip. Even if you just want to experiment, templates are great for learning how designs are layered and grouped together. Next, let's add a new page to our design. At the bottom of the workspace, you'll see a plus button, or you might see Add Page. Give that a click. This second page will stay empty for now. It's where we'll paste the elements we want to move over. Now for the important bit, copying those design elements. Maybe you like the colorful banner at the top or the text box with the cool font. Click to select whatever you want to move. You can select a single element, like a picture or a shape, or you can hold down the Shift key and click multiple pieces to grab more than one at the same time. Think of this like grabbing building blocks. You can take as much or as little as you need. With the target elements selected, simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This copies them just like you copy text in a document. Now click onto page 2 where we want to paste them. Here comes the magic. Hit Ctrl+V instantly. Your selected pieces appear ready for you to arrange, resize, or tweak however you like. And really, that's all there is to it. This copy-paste trick can save you a ton of time. Whether you're working on a series of marketing materials, keeping layouts consistent, or just want to experiment with new looks, moving pieces around in Canva is a game changer. So give it a try. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to share how you use this Canva trick, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy designing.